In the last video, we saw zero shot prompting, where we directly give instructions to the model. But here is the problem. Let's say, what if the model does not fully understand your instructions? That is where the next technique comes in, that is called few shot prompting. And this is one of the most powerful and widely used techniques in real world AI systems. So I will create a new file which is called few.py, and I will just copy this code in this and everything like that, and thus I'm using the same base code. Okay, now what is few shot prompting? So instead of just giving instructions, we will also give the model examples of how to behave. So in simple terms, I can say like there is few shot prompting is nothing but your instructions plus examples. So let me show you with an visual exam explanation. Okay, now let you walk through the simple uh, example through simple visual. So this is the all things. This is simple answer. This is also simple answer, and this is also answer. This is question, question. This is also question, and this is also question. This question is linked to this answer, means this answer is linked to this question, you can say, like similar with this also, and similar with this also. This is nothing but one of the example. This is one of the example. Got it? Let's say I am giving an input which is a question. I am giving a new input which is a question. Okay, now I am getting what? An answer. This is the answer. Basically we are getting here, getting the answer. What is happening here? We give multiple examples like question, answer, and then we give a new input. Then the model learns all the patterns and generates a better answer. Okay, so for that, let's do coding part. What we are going to do, that just in the system prompt, just I am going to declare one system prompt, system underscore prompt. This is my something called variable. Okay, this is something called a variable. Now system prompt, in the system prompt we are going to write something. What? Let me tell you. From here I am writing ki you are an AI assistant who is specialized in maths. You should not answer any query that is not related to maths. For a given query, help user to solve that along with explanation. For example, I am giving, it is a math expert. Let's say input is simple 3 plus 3, and the output is 3 plus 3, which is 6, which is calculated by adding 3 with 3. This is one of the example. Let's say I'm giving input again. I'm giving into 2 into 5, and output is going to be 2 into 5, which is uh, 10, which okay, 2 into 5 is 10, which is calculated by multiplying 2 by 5. Now again you have to write one more thing, that is fun fact. You can even multiply 5 into 2, which gives the same result. Got it? Now let's say input is something called y. Let's say let gives what is phone. Let's say this I have given, and the output will be hello, hello, you all right? Is it maths query? Like this, just you had given. Now what I am giving here in the result section, result is equal to client.chat, whatever we are written in the message section. I'm just copying this. I'm removing this zero short prompting. Yes, now I am giving here. In the content section, just I am going to pass something called system prompt. This system prompt, that is up. Now I am going to what is fruit. This is the question I am going to ask. This is question, what is fruit? This is the question. Now let me execute this code. See, now look at this carefully. I'm not just giving instructions like you are an math assistant, you're math expert. I am also giving something called an examples, input output. So these examples act like what, training hits for the simply for your models, right? You can say that. And if I test with non-math questions, and you can see that it responds according to the pattern we defined, because now it understands what to answer, what to reject, and how to respond. So in basically in zero shot, model guesses, and in few shots the model follows patterns. So actually in real world application, we often provide multiple high quality examples. So even a few well designed examples can significantly, I can say, your improve consistency and accuracies. Now one thing more, apart from the prompts, we also have a parameters to control the behavior, that is called the temperature. And temperature is nothing but that controls your randomness. So let's say if there is low, means we am passing low 0.2, means it is more focused deterministic. If I am giving high 0.8, means more creative and random. And there is one max underscore tokens control how long the response can be. Okay, so let me show you one thing. So in after model, just pass something called temperature. Temperature is equal to 0.7, and max see max tokens is equal to 200, like this. Like this you can pass. And now if you see, execute the same command, let's see what will happen. Now you can see, hello, you all right, it's is it match query, there are some changes, right? So now let me conclude this video. So the main idea is simple: if you want better output, don't just ask, so examples. So zero sort give you response, few sort gives you control plus consistency, right? Now imagine taking, let's say from this one, let's say if I am taking this one step further, what will happen? What if I could do like this? Make the model think step by step before answering. And that is exactly what you will do using the chain of thought prompting. And I will see you in the next video about the chain of thought prompting. So till now, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.